Yo, what's up, guys? It's Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio, and today we got here the Kotobukiya model for Specineff from Cyber Trooper Virtual on video game. Yeah, this is a video game actually. So there we got this DNA side Specineff. So one of I think the playable characters there, and so it's a very nice kit, but don't be deceived by its look because this kit has so many problems that I encountered, especially for the joints and for those armor pieces that don't fit well, and you need to put some super glue because they are, the plastic is having those mold defects, since this is an early Kotobukiya kit. But now this kit is really rare. You cannot find this kit much in the market because I don't know if Kotobukiya will still reissue this kind of kit, but this is very hard to find nowadays. So let's go with this kit. So the head here actually is on ball joint. It's connected there on the spine, but since the head is so loose, I did put super glue just to make it stays well, because I don't like turning things here. And for the waist is really stiff. I did modify the what do you call this, the peg joint there, because the previous peg joint on the waist or the spine there, spine waist, the connector, is a rubbery polycap that is prone to breakage. So I use the hard peg for that to make it secure, since before it really wobbles. If you do this, the upper body will wobble. Okay, so the shoulder here is connected on a peg with the ball joint inside. This is really sucks. I don't like the early model kit of Kotobukiya because they tend to use a separate ball polycap and a plastic peg, and in time it will really lose those grip. Very bad for this kit. And for the elbow can bend up to this far, yeah. And the claw here is really cool and really pointy, and be careful because this is really sharp. I had an accident with this pointy claws here. It breaks my finger and it's painful. And for this one, for the claw here that holds these sight gun slash sight slash beam gun, something like that. This is the sight, by the way. So this is an interchangeable hand, so from this you will replace it with this kind of hand. It's also articulated, by the way, and this is intended for gripping the arm. And there's a peg there where this sight gun is attached. And for the waist here, actually it's stiff because I modified this shit. And yeah, it can kick forward up to this far, and it can kick backward without hindrances up to that far. Okay, as you can see. And the knees can also bend there, and it can bend up to this far. And as you can see, the leg looks like a skeleton. Yeah, the tibia, fibula, like that. And there, the feet has this kind of spike. There is a blade, and it can also move forward and upward like that. But just be careful moving this shit here because everything sucks. I put mostly glue on those armor parts because it doesn't fit, especially here on the feet. These are all glued. Okay, And for the wings, the recent thing that I fix, the wings tends to fold like this. So the wings looks like a shuriken, broken shuriken. And the other side also do like that. So the wings only move on this manner, but all of the parts in the wings are loose, tends to disintegrate. So what I did is I put glue on those joints or those pegs just to keep it secure, and what I don't glue is the peg there that keeps this thing moving. Okay. For the disc here, it's very hard to open, so you can just open it on this manner. I don't know how to open it fully, but once I did, I feel like I destroyed something there, so I don't intend to open that disc part. So those clear green pieces there are all loose, so you need to put glue on those pieces because it will not stick there without glue. Okay, so for size comparison, we got here the Solidea from Kotobukiya as well, so which I did review last year. So it's taller than the Solidea. And I got here another Kotobukiya kit, which is the Gold 4 from Majestic Prince. Okay, so they're almost the same height. So there, thank you so much for watching this review of the Kotobukiya Specineff DNA side from Cyber Trooper Virtual On. See you next time.